You are operating Deep Space Explorer, a complex of virtual engines for detecting and examining the framework, the origin, and the future of the universe. As you cruise into the constellation of Orion, think of this as a software survey ship on a voyage to discover the structure of the cosmos. Flying by the Orion Nebula, glowing with the light of a nest of young stars. And the Horsehead Nebula, its mark of distinction, a dark cloud of dust. You can pilot Deep Space Explorer much faster than the speed of light. Visit real places in the real universe, each a unique story. You're sailing now towards the Rosette Nebula, where fierce winds of adolescent stars clear away their dusty birth cocoons like the eye of an interstellar hurricane. And you can navigate Deep Space Explorer more than 10 billion years in the direction of the beginning of time. Picking up now the Crab Nebula, all that remains of a supernova whose light reached Earth in 1054 AD. It is today the home of a pulsar. Leaving the Crab behind, you slew your sensor array around to look towards the bright region at the core of this, your home galaxy, the Milky Way. At the heart of its bright core, a monster black hole 2 million times more massive than your sun. Every star you have ever seen, and everyone you have ever known, falls behind you now. You are rising above the plane of the Milky Way's spiral arms, catching a glimpse of the large and small Magellanic Clouds, heading out towards the realm of the distant galaxies, and back into deep time. That's Andromeda, 2 million years away at light speed. And there's the Triangulum galaxy, home of tens of billions of stars, and perhaps countless civilizations. As you dive through, you begin to see hints of the structure of space on a huge scale, in the way the galaxies congregate. Here come Messier 81 and 82, a pair of interacting galaxies, the latter exploding with newly forming stars. You're on course for the Virgo cluster, far away there to the lower left. Visible structures like the Pinwheel Galaxy, and approaching now, the Whirlpool Galaxy are not all that there is. Most of what's in the universe cannot be seen. Halos of mysterious dark matter surround all these galaxies, and the enigma of dark energy is everywhere. Deep Space Explorer calls up a plot of everything that is known within a box 700 million light-years on a side, with the Milky Way at its center. Impressive, but merely 3% of the way to the observable edge of the universe. Each point of light an entire galaxy, and there are 28,000 of them, each filled with tens of billions, and some with hundreds of billions, of suns. The distribution of matter and energy in the universe is not random. There is order here. Explorer reveals what no human eye has directly seen, that the universe is organized like a volume of soap bubbles, an ever-expanding, roiling froth, with galaxies clustering along great arcs, and huge voids of the hardest vacuum between. You're following a filament of galaxies down to the Virgo cluster. With every light year that you travel, Deep Space Explorer's deepest purpose is to help you feel the true scale and scope of the place you call home. Vectoring now for a rendezvous with the gigantic galaxy called Messier 87, its extremely compact core, the home of a gargantuan black hole. Welcome to your universe.